Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. To do it, first shut down your phone, so press and hold on the power button, then click on power off. After your phone vibrates, wait for additional 2 to 3 seconds to make sure it's fully shut down, and now you can begin with pressing and holding on the power and volume up buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds, and you need to release them before anything shows on the screen. So let's press and hold now. Now I can release it, and if this screen shows, then everything has been done correctly. You can go with the power buttons, with the volume buttons, up or down. You can go up or down the menu, and with the power button you can confirm. So you need to go to the recovery mode, then click on power to confirm. Then just go down with the volume buttons and click on OK when you are on the Enter Fastboot option. And you can see you are in the Fastboot mode now. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.